Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today, I am unboxing Casio Edifice watch, model Efv-150D-2Avuef. Let's get started. Here are the key features of the Casio Edifice Efv-150D. 1. Design and build. The Casio Edifice Efv-150D features a sleek and sporty design with a blue dial and stainless steel case and bracelet, providing both durability and a modern look. Two. Dial and display. The watch has a clear and easy-to-read analog display with luminescent hands, ensuring visibility in low-light conditions. 3. Water resistance. The Efv-150D is water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it suitable for swimming and snorkeling, but not for diving. 4. Quartz movement. It is powered by a reliable quartz movement, ensuring accurate timekeeping with minimal maintenance. 5. Mineral glass. The watch face is protected by mineral glass, which is resistant to scratches and everyday wear and tear. 6. Date display. The watch includes a date display function at the 3 o'clock position, adding practicality for daily use. 7. Size and comfort. The case diameter is approximately 43 mm, which provides a comfortable fit for most wrist sizes without being too bulky. These features make the Casio Edifice Efv-150D a versatile and stylish option for those who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics in a timepiece. My wrist size is 17 cm or 6.6 inches. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.